wildflowers. And that one. So we will get that one that also. So to make a crown, these two, we have to get that wildflower. And that one. Also this one is very nice. This one too. We will pick that one too. And this is where I pick my flowers. It's really into the woods. And that one too. That one. We will pick that one too. And that's it. Over there. So it's a lot of flowers. But you have to be careful with that one because that's venomous or dangerous for your skin. So this is where I do my walk sometimes and pick some flowers, and it's near to the railing station. So it is. So here it is, or we pick a lot of flowers. As you can see, that one, is it beautiful? And we have also this one. Here also, very nice. Here it is, the one we get from the forest. I separate them to different colors, and here is the yellow, the one with the white one, and another white, and another white also, and this is the lavender, and another lavender, and this deer for this deer's favorite color, pink one, magenta. So it's very nice combinations. So let's make the midsummer crown. I love it. I'm so excited. So it's done. This is my crowns. The crowns. I'll wait for a while. Let's wait. Here it is. So let's try on. Made by yours truly. Here's the final look. How was it? This is a Swedish tradition.